right, Moxie and Scarlett at Grandma's.
And here comes Scarlett.
That's so sad. Oh, buddy, you're so sad.
If I close my eyes, maybe I'll wake up from this nightmare.
You was a swimmer today, that's why. We're going home to our house.
You wanna go home.
Gotta go get our day started, come on.
Chewy, we have to go back home. You cannot stay at Grandma's.
What are you saying?
There's something about grandparents that makes everything feel better just by being with them.
You're never that happy to see me, Star.
Come here, let's go. You gotta go to your bed. Come on. Stop. This is Grandma's bed. Milo, come here.
My life! I told you 3:10, not 3:07.
I'm not yours anymore. I belong to my grandparents now. Move along, human.
I love you, Charlotte. Yes, we did. Why did you come to see me at Grandma's house? What? Oh, talk to me. Yes. Yes. I didn't miss you so much.
Now I see why my dog never wants to leave Grandma's side.
Mum, what are you doing?
We're having lunch.
No.
It's too hot and he wouldn't eat in the kitchen, so I'm trying out here.
Grandma! What have you done?
Well, he would.
Maisie, what are you doing? Maisie, get up, come on. Right, we'll go and see Grandad then. Come with him.
Come on. Come on. Here we go. Listen. Come on. Let's go. I'm going to give you a piece. There you go.
Betrayed by his favorite snack and everyone around him. Stand your ground next time, buddy.
That's a good boy.
Come on, buddy. Come on, Breezy. He's upset.
There you go. Now look, last piece right there. There you go. Gotta get it. Go get it. It's all gone.
Lola, it's time to go. You can't stay. Oh.
There are many smells here, but none are as familiar to the boy as Grandma's.
Yeah.
Come here. I love the boy. Yeah.
Oh, Grandma, he loves it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No, he dropped himself being so excited.
I'm pretty sure by now, Chip never wants to go home again.
No.
All right. Thank you. Enjoy your Valentine's Day.
He's gone. Yeah. I love you, Rita. Yeah, thank you.
Come on, Zeus. Come on, then. Zeus, come on. Come on, please. Right, I'm going now.
He knows exactly who's keeping him supplied with treats.
Come on, Zeus.
This is what happens when it's time to leave Grandma's. Moxie. Moxie, gonna lay across Grandma? Ready to go home? Is that a no? Moxie!
No, are you getting shoulder massages? Hey Nala, why does your head look bald? Oops, sorry. Sorry.
Only 2 weeks away from Grandma and Grandpa, but for this little one, it feels like 2 years.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
What are you doing?
You don't have to worry about him getting eaten by something.
I've already been adopted, didn't you know?
Ralph. Ralphie.
Whoa! Oh my God! Look at the size of it. Oh no! No, tu peux pas me piétiner, t'es trop pesant.
We have to leave Grandma's. We have to leave our grandma. Oh, okay. You won't leave your Grandma's?
When you've been this happy, saying goodbye never comes easy.
I think you might want to sleep there.
You don't want to come home with me?
Yeah, you smell like Grandma's house. You know you're on your way to Grandma's.
Good job, right? Come on, let's go to the car. Come on.
Close the door, Mom.
Gus, come on. Guys. Come on. Okay, I got the ball. Come on. Oh! Honey, we gotta go home. We gotta go home. Come on. Come on. You want the ball? You want the ball? I don't know what to do. He's like toes on the edge. He's like, I'm out, but I'm in.
Why leave when you're living in this paradise?
Something in his mouth. You're gonna go to Grandma's house? Okay. Bye. Have a good day. Have a good day.
Going back to rules, curfews, limited snacks, and chores. Who could possibly be happy about that?
Come on, Chewy. Chewy. You don't have to go home. We're just going outside, go potty. You don't have to go home. You just are gonna go out and go potty real quick. His paw. Mom, look at his paw.
I'll see you very soon, okay? You come visit Grandma soon, okay? And thank you for the kiss. I love you. Oh, bye. Bye.
He's currently in denial mode with a simple strategy. If I don't look at them, they can't tell me to leave.
Moxie, we gotta go bye-bye. We gotta go bye-bye?
No.
It's time to go. You gotta go home with Mom and Dad. You got to see Grandma all week.
The pitifulness.
She's not home.
sorry, man. I'll take you back. I'll bring you back. I'm sorry, buddy. We'll come back. I know that's sad, huh? That's sad. We want to see Grandma. We want to see Grandma.
She's patiently waiting for the update, just checking if she's still in it.
She'll be happy to see you. Made it, Bubba.
Who is it? Who came to see you? Who came to see you, Jessie? Who is it? You? Look at it, look at it. I love you.
Is that your grandma?
I know, I smart.
His face says it all. I need Grandma right about now.
I know, it's okay.
What's grandma gonna give you? Come to visit because you're starving?
She can have a couple bites, not the whole thing.
She'll tell grandma what she wants and not for Oh, we're gonna have a little bit? Oh, that's yum.
No, she likes to eat bites herself.
Our top security officer is fully focused right now. Kindly leave them alone.
Battiamo le manine che arriverà papà, tine pani li mangerà.
110-pound baby.
Tell her what you want.
We're going home.
Are you going home?
Oh my goodness.
You were in my way.
At Grandma's place, the rules seem to disappear and every wish somehow comes true.
Oh. Hold on. Let's see. Grandma, let us in. Hi! What are you got on? I got a hat in the back. Oh my God. Wait, how did your legs get out?
They'll definitely leave with a few extra pounds. That's just what happens at Grandma's house.
This dog gonna have a long weekend with your mom and your dad. Okay? Is there anything special you want? You want me to bring you something like a shower?
Once you feel Grandma's warmth, you just want to stay in it forever.
I will give this to you if you go and eat your food. No. I say no. No. You love me? You wanna give me a kiss? Okay.
Thanks for watching our video all the way through. We hope it brought you some relaxation and joy. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified whenever we post something new. See you in the next one.